This video is a reaction video related to Neanderthals and their relations to and with humans. Neanderthals are the better-known archaics, because they systematically died accidentally, or were murdered in mines. Or in the caves nearby they were held captive when not working, and their bones and their tools conserved much better than those of their contemporary humans, which hybridized the Neanderthals in cradles in order to use or trade them as miners or heavy-duty workers. Just as the contemporary humans, also the Neanderthals came from the Americas, on the ships of navigating humans. This American ancestry is confirmed for the humans by means of the relevant ancestral markers. This American ancestry is confirmed for the Neanderthals by means of a simple search for Haplotype B006, which comprises Neanderthals and Denisovans. Haplotype B006 is an X-linked haplotype, and is a genetic marker found in non-African populations, and presents particularly high frequencies in Amerindians. In the haplotype tree, Neanderthals come just after or in line of the ancestors, which we claim to have been contemporary humans, and they or other humans were used as the DNA source for the hybridization or possible in cradles organized into breeding with Neanderthals. That Neanderthals are strongly related to mines is easily confirmed by researching about the places their fossils are found. It does not make sense for supposed hunter-gatherers to systematically die in or close to mines. The first fossils to be identified as Neanderthals were discovered in 1856 in the Neander Valley, Neanderthal, in Germany, specifically in the Kleinfeldhofer cave, which is part of a limestone mine. You will find something similar in over 90% of the cases if you research all the next Neanderthal fossil finds. There are other clear indices Neanderthals and other archaics lived in captivation. Of course, some Neanderthals would escape or become abandoned, in which cases they would behave as small and vulnerable groups of hunter-gatherers. Neanderthals died out because they became uninteresting for humans to breed and use. This when the humans bred other, less robust and but more cost-efficient hybrids, or archaics, that would replace the Neanderthals. Something similar is most probably the case for almost all descendants or subclades of the origin, that consequently also are hybrids for similar reasons, however in general, more cost-effective and more modern, and or higher or more specialized class or caste, with time and mutations progressing. The downside of all this, almost certainly, is that with each mutation the DNA of the hybrid or offspring gets more and more unstable DNA, which of course makes more vulnerable for diseases and epidemics, but most of all for degenerative diseases, especially those that affect cognitive functioning. Hybridizations could be involuntarily and voluntarily.